Hello everybody, I'm Sister Slayosh and welcome to my channel. We're going to do this orange glitter eye today, boo sugars. I am going to start with my Morphe 25H palette using this reddish orange color. And I am going to use that as my transition color. And I am just laying that right above my crease. I just want to have like a really nice, warm and dramatic look. So I am lightly building that color up with my Morphe blending brush. Now I am going in with the MAC It's Designer palette and I'm using this here red, and I am building some more drama for your mama. And I'm building it up on both sides of my eye, on the outer V and the inner corner, to build some additional intensity. With this particular look, I wanted to stay warm. I want to kind of remind you, remind you of fire, you know what I'm saying? Because it's hot as hell outside. So I want the eyes to match. And I'm gradually blending that color in so it won't be any harsh lines, all right? Now, I'm going to use this P. Louise Rumor Base in the color 4. And I am going to put a little bit on my crease. I guess this is kind of like a cut crease. I don't really have that much of a large eyelid, so I ain't got that much crease to cut, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that Rumor Base, and y'all, I'm just now learning to love this base, to be honest. Now I'm gonna use this Makeup by Aaliyah pigment. It's in the number 10. It is a bright neon orange. I really do like this product, but I advise anybody who's gonna try it, make sure you have a base that's tacky enough to grip the product, because it's just so dry. It kind of takes a little work to make it lay on the lid, so I had to go back in twice to just build the color up. Now I'm going back into that red in the MAC palette, and I'm going to blend around the edges of my neon orange just to soften it, because keep in mind, you want to blend, you don't want any harsh lines, you want everything to be seamless. Now I'm going back into that Morphe palette and I'm grabbing this, it's kind of like a maroon, I guess, but well, it's not a lot of brown in it, so I can't say maroon, but I'm building some more depth on the outer corner of my eye and lightly dragging that color in towards the bridge of my nose. Now I'm using some Glitter Fix by Makeup by Aaliyah. It's like a clear gel that it's just a pretty good glitter base. I actually do like this, and it's easy to work with. I'm using it with a flat brush, and now I'm gonna, oh Lord, I've been sneezing, honey. Glitter flew all over the place. So now I'm using my orange glitter. I got this from the beauty supply store, and I'm just popping that glitter on my lid and just lightly building it up with that flat brush. The next thing I'm going to do is go into my Makeup by Aaliyah palette, and I'm going to use that orangey gold impressed glitter, and I'm going to use my finger just to lightly place over the other glitter. Now I'm using my MAC Pro Long Wear foundation. I don't like to use a lot of foundation, y'all. Not much at all. And my skin kind of clearing up. I don't look like a little mountain no more. So now I'm just taking my beauty blender and I'm blending that product in. This is one of my favorite foundations because it just has a satin finish and it looks like skin. Now I'm using the NYX Got You Covered Concealer. Y'all know how I feel about this concealer. It is very thick, so I have to warm it up, and I like to place this with my finger and then I go back and blend it because it's so thick. But this is like the perfect concealer. And I'm doing it on the other side as well. I'm dropping stuff. But yes, this concealer, it is full coverage. Like when I say full coverage, full coverage, like some good insurance, honey, full coverage. And this concealer, and I usually don't like to highlight or contour my nose, but I've had some people ask if I could start doing it, so I said I guess I'll go ahead and give her a try. And I'm just taking this concealer and I'm just building some highlight in the front of my face and on my cupid's bow and all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So I'm blending it out with my beauty blender, and this concealer is, it's so weird, it's thick, but at the same time it's very blendable and it doesn't disturb the makeup under it. It's kind of hard to explain, but NYX did master this formula. Now I'm going into my MAC Studio Fix shade and contour palette. I don't know. It's a MAC palette. And I'm using that yellow color or the ochre color. Ogre. I'm Shrek. And I am highlighting. I'm just setting that concealer. Just setting it in place. And I'm not gonna bake this time. I didn't feel need to. So now I'm going into the color Shadester, and I am adding some contour to my big pie face. Lord, that's a whole lot of contour. I need to go contour my body in the gym. That's what I need to do. Ain't enough powder in the world to carve off them yams. Now I'm using the MAC loose powder Select Sheer and NC45. They don't make this anymore, but I had stocked up on them. This is my last one, so I need to take it easy. But yeah, I'm just going on the parts of my face that didn't have any color there, and I'm just blending that contour and that highlight in, because I didn't want to just be too much with the contour. Now I'm using my second favorite MAC liner called Cork. Y'all know how I feel about this liner. If I ain't got chestnut, I got cork. If I ain't got cork, I don't know what the hell. Those are my two favorite. So I'm just lining my lips. This color is just, it's beautiful. It's a mid-tone brown. It's something that any woman of any race can wear. And you can't go wrong with chestnut or cork. And there are no browns like those two lip liners. I guarantee you won't find anything like it. Now I am using my favorite MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in Burnt Spice. I probably should have picked another color because I'm probably wearing y'all out with Burnt Spice. But honey, it is what it is up in that joint. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just lightly pressing that lip in. The retro mattes kind of got like a slick feel until they dry. And so what I'm going to do next is just take a brush and just pat that color into the lip. And if y'all ever want your lipstick to be even more smooth and not have any lumps or creases, use a lip primer and pat it in your lip with the brush. So yeah, that's what that looks like. I do like it, but it's not doing it for me for some odd reason. So I'm adding a gloss. I'm using this Fenty Beauty lip luminizer, just the original one. I love the way this stuff smells. I wish it had a taste, but it may be a good thing because I would eat it. Now I'm using my Mario Badescu Rose Water and my Global Glow highlight. And y'all, I forgot about how much I used to love this highlight. I kind of felt bad. So I'm putting Global Glow on, and this highlight, when I say glows globally, it glows globally in this hole. So yeah, I am just glowing to the gods, you know what I'm saying? Put a little bit on that bell pepper. Yes, season the bell pepper, boo sugar. And I'm putting a little bit on my Rihanna / forehead. And yeah, that is the finished look. Y'all, if y'all see my little edges on this wig, it's no big deal, because yeah, I ain't doing too much today. I ain't going nowhere. I'm just doing this for the tutorial. So yeah, that is the finished look. And the wig does have like little rainbow colors under it. It's kind of cute, you know, not what I'm used to, but it's really cute. So if y'all have any questions, go ahead and get in the comments. If you haven't yet, like, subscribe, and join the family. Hit that notification bell. Love you, boo sugars.